Creating a file from your desktop. Go to your desktop first. Make sure you're on your desktop, the main screen where your icons are. Right. Click on an empty area. Right-click anywhere on the desktop, but avoid clicking on the icons. Just an open space. Choose New. From the menu that appears, hover over the New option. Select the type of file you want. Choose the type of file you want to create, like a text document, Word document, or Excel sheet. Name your file type in a name for your file and hit Enter. That's it. Creating a file from File Explorer. Open File Explorer. Open File Explorer by clicking the folder icon on your taskbar or pressing Windows+E. Go to your desired folder. Navigate to the folder where you want to create your file, like Documents or Downloads. Click New at the top. At the top of File Explorer, click New, and a list of file options will appear. Select the type of file, pick the file type you want, such as a text document or Word document. Name your file type a name for the file and press Enter. Done.